welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we are going to learn to make cabbage caraway soup. Okay, this is one of those recipes that once you have all the vegetables cut, all you have to do is dump everything into the pan, bring it to a boil, and then walk away. First, we're going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth to our pan. Then I diced 4 potatoes, and these potatoes were about the size of my fist. They weren't overly massive, but they weren't small either. I have 1 large carrot and 2 stalks of celery that I diced up. I have 1 head of cabbage that I shredded. That's going to go in. You can dice a cup of onion, but since my guys don't like diced onion, I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Into that yet, I am going to squeeze about 3 cloves of garlic, more or less depending on how much you like the garlic. We're going to add to that a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of dill. Then we're going to get out the caraway seeds and add about 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds. I'm going to make it heaping because I like the taste of caraway. And then a few grinds from the black pepper mill. I'd say about another 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're going to bring that to a boil. Cover it and then leave it go for about 1/2 an hour until all the vegetables, got a piece of cabbage that escaped, that will not do, all the vegetables are tender. And that's it. It's that easy. Try it. You're gonna like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. See you later.